Walkers and bikers in Zachary have a new nature trail to enjoy. The city's newest walking path connects the Americana neighborhood to Breck's Zachary Community Park on Old Scenic Highway. You can find the trailheads at the back of the fishing pond at Breck's Zachary Community Park and at the pond near the dog park in the back of the Americana neighborhood.
I think the best deal is walking from Americana over, going to play with the kids at the park, going to the splash pad, and you can turn around and come back and make a little afternoon of it. You can start over at the Breck Park, walk over, go have some tacos or some pizza, have a drink at Walk-Ons, and then come on back. All of that just eliminates traffic on the highway and allows people to get out and get moving.
The 0.66-mile trail showcases the beauty of nature here in Zachary. Throughout the trail, walkers and bikers will see ponds, wooden walkways, greenery, and trees. The nature path is open to walkers and bike riders along with their canine friends from dawn till dusk, 7 days a week. Motorized vehicles of any kind are not allowed. A few finishing pieces are slated for the nature trail, including automated gates, additional signage, water fountains, and rest areas. Breck's Zachary Community Park features several amenities, including an outdoor basketball court, dog park, fishing pond, outdoor fitness station, skate park, sand volleyball court, recreation center, playground, splash pad, and an outdoor walking track. The Zachary Community Park has something to offer every resident. The nature trail is funded through the Americana Economic Development District and in partnership with Breck. To learn more about the Americana Economic Development District and walking trail, read the full article at porchandparish.com. I'm Jen Gennaro, editor of Porch and Parish, Zachary's community magazine.